candidate? How does an object qualify? What makes a dwarf planet candidate? What rules do we need to apply? Must have enough mass to be round, that's one. It must have its own orbit around the sun. It can't be a moon orbiting a planet, you see. It can't have broken free from all the space debris. I'm the lunar from the Kuiper belt. Beyond Neptune, I'm so cold that my ice won't melt. I rotate fast, which change my silhouette into an egg shape like how many other dwarf planets. I'm Ixion, a trans-Neptunian object, which means I'm further from the sun than Neptune gets. Like Pluto, for every 2 times I orbit the sun, Neptune orbits me. I'm called a Plutino, everyone. Ixion, a trans-Neptunian object. I'm really far out way past Pluto's orbit. It's hard to cool out here, but I don't mind. My moon empty, and it's with me all the time. What makes a dwarf planet candidate? How does an object qualify? There are so many dwarf planet candidates waiting to see if they're accepted or denied. It must have a near spherical shape, an orbit round the sun that it can't escape. Not a moon, but an independent entity that hasn't broken free from all the space debris.
Chaos, a QB-Watto is what they call me. A Kuiper belt object got moved by Neptune's gravity. Far enough from Neptune, I have an orbit on my own, traveling the outer solar system, exploring the unknown.
Farda, a QB-Watto, and I'm not alone. I have one moon Lamare to call my own, both named after characters from the Silmarillion by the author of Lord of the Rings, Tolkien. I'm a QB-Watto, or classical Kuiper belt object, you know. I have icy volcanoes that spew water, not melted rock, and I have one moon with me named Waywat. What makes a dwarf planet candidate? How does an object qualify? What makes a dwarf planet candidate? What rules do we need to apply? It must have enough mass to be round, that's one. It must have its own orbit around the sun. It can't be a moon orbiting a planet, you see. It can't have broken free from all the space debris. Kinetic Orcus and my moon Lance here, across the solar system from Pluto like a mirror. I'm called the anti-Pluto because I orbit opposite me. When Pluto's apparent helium, I'm the half-helium, you see. So as a 2 and a 4. Yep, discovered long ago, but I still don't have a name yet. In the Kuiper belt, I'm waiting patiently to get an official name. What do you think it should be? My last 2007 or 10, but was renamed U-Bolted and Gong is who I became. In the Kuiper belt, I have a friend with me. My little moon Chulu keeps me company. What makes a dwarf planet candidate? How does an object qualify? What makes a dwarf planet candidate? What rules do we need to apply? Must have a near spherical shape, an orbit round the sun that it can't escape. Not a moon, but an independent entity that hasn't broken free from all the space debris.